What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we've got an incredible build. This is probably our sickest build
This
yet.
thing is so tight.
Without further ado, I'm not even gonna say what it is. You guys can see it for yourself. Let's switch the camera. The 2016 Dodge Challenger RT Hemi 5.7. Let's go.
Dude, it gets even better. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. It's a manual!
It's a manual!
Oh my word, dude.
It's a manual! I am so excited. You don't even understand. Guys, we just got it off. We haven't looked at it at all. We wanted to film this like first everything, like first startup, first everything. So what should we do first?
Dude, let's just do a walk around, see what the damages are.
Before starting it?
Before starting it, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Well, let's start from the front then. Guys, it is butt cold. It is so cold right now, you don't even
It's literally 38 or 39 degrees. On the way while we were driving here, it was snowing.
What the heck? Okay, anyways, let's start from the front. So this is what the damage is. This is what it was in the pictures. I'm glad it's like very similar to what it was. So it doesn't seem like there's more damage than what we thought.
Right. Normally, whenever you buy off auction, you'll usually have to anticipate another $1,000 on top of repairs because you don't know, there might be some hidden damages.
And then there's like little plastic pieces and whatever, other parts that you'll need to replace. But this, guys, this isn't bad. This isn't that bad. Okay, well, check this out. So I think the front here, it looks like, I don't even know what they hit. It could have been, maybe it was another car. But the damage looks like it wasn't more to the top, it was more to the bottom.
Yeah.
But I wonder if it hit the sub, because the subframe's like back there. I wonder if it hit the subframe. I guess you can't really tell from here.
Yeah, it's...
We'll have to see it once we tear it all apart.
Yeah, dude, so it looks like that rebar is really smashed in. The frame rail, I don't know, what do you think? You think the frame rail is fine? I mean...
I think the frame rail went in a little bit. Oh, dude, yeah, actually.
Did it?
Let's see here. Oh, this is just plastic. Yeah,
Oh.
the frame rail looks like it just bent just a little bit. It doesn't look like it's crazy bad. I think the rebar took most of the hit, which is good.
Yeah.
And then obviously the headlight, front bumper, hood, fender,
Radiator, yeah, all that
radiator,
kind of stuff.
condenser. That's all kind of on the bottom there, and that got hit. So
Exactly,
let's keep
exactly.
walking around. Dude, check out these wheels, man.
Oh, dude, they're so sick.
Blacked out.
It's probably like 20 inches.
They are 20s. Yep.
Dude.
Yep. 245, 45, 20s. So, and then these are the blacked out. I think this is I wonder if this is like some kind of special edition, man, because the whole thing's like black. Like, check this out, the Hemi
logo.
The Hemi logo is blacked out as well. It's more like gray and black.
Yeah.
The wheels are black.
It looks like it has a complete chrome delete, because like I know these Challengers, usually on the grill, it'll have little chrome pieces around it. Have like the Hemi will be chrome, the gas cap will be chrome, the back is like a little bit chrome. So
And there's nothing chrome on here.
yeah, it looks so much nicer.
Dude, check these tires out. The tires are in great shape.
Dude.
This is also like, I'm kind of shook. This is one of these cars that if I owned it from the dealer, I'd be raving this thing.
Like,
I'd be driving this thing.
Literally
Like
every
crazy.
day, bro. Every day.
But it looks like, or whoever had it took good care of it. All right, let's keep going around. So, nice black tint. I love that.
Yeah.
Check out this top here. It's like a vinyl, some kind of vinyl.
Yeah.
Dude, I didn't even see that from the front. It goes from the front.
It
too.
goes all the way from the front.
So it goes from the front all the way to the back.
It's like a nice vinyl decal. I think it adds to
That's
it.
pretty sick.
Yeah.
Dude. I like that.
That's tight.
And it goes all the way to the
back.
trunk here.
Dude, that's
I like
tight.
that. That's nice. The backup camera's right in the wing.
Yeah.
That's sick.
That's sick. It kind of looks like it's smoked out, like the taillights are smoked out. Again, I don't know if it's that special edition like you were saying.
Who
That's
knows?
all blacked
Dude,
out.
To be honest, I don't even know. We'll
Yeah.
have to like figure it out. These are definitely LEDs. They do look smoked out for sure.
Yeah.
Because I don't think the regular Challengers have that.
Then it's got the nice dealership name. We're gonna have to scratch that off.
The paint looks super good.
Yep. There's the fuel cap.
Fuel cap's blacked out.
One thing that I don't like about these Challengers at the fuel cap, you can't lock it. So essentially, someone could just walk up, you know, throw some sand or salt or whatever if they really hate you. That's what they do, man.
Sand in there?
Yeah, to wreck the engine. So
I would thought you were gonna say like suck the fuel out of there or something.
Nope.
Nope. Throw sand in there, man.
That's what people want to do.
If you want to just screw somebody over, just sand, bro.
That's what you
Throw it in there. Back tires look even newer than the front.
That's weird. Yeah, dude. Normally.
Right, let's take a quick look inside.
Yeah.
I'm just anxious to start this baby up.
Yeah.
And then we'll take a look under the hood when we pull it in the garage.
Yeah, let's do
Does
that.
sound good?
All right, let's wait.
Dude, like we said, it's manual. Dude, interior right away. Obviously, we got the bag blown. No knee bags blown, which is awesome.
Yep.
Curtain bags are fine. And then the dash is blown.
Yeah, the dash is blown, which really sucks because you have to replace the entire dashboard. But hey, this is gonna make for some good content. You guys will be able to see the whole process.
You guys will love it. And this is gonna be my first time ever replacing a dash. I've never replaced a dash.
Dang, bro.
So this is gonna be our first one. Dude, check the screen out. It's kind of a small screen.
I know, I saw that, I was like, dude.
I haven't seen these small screens in a long time.
It's a 2016 RT and somehow it has a tiny little screen.
I wanna change that.
Let's change that, yeah. Once we're gonna be
8.2 inch, nice big screen in here.
Make it look good, yeah.
All right, get some neutral. Should we start it up?
Dude, let's start it up. Here, let me get in the back. Bro! Oh my word! Bro,
that thing has a muffler delete for sure.
I don't think the camera can hear what you're saying, dude. Straight up muffler.
Dude, muffler delete for sure.
For sure, bro. Oh my gosh.
Let's rev it up.
Holy crap!
This is gonna be a sick build.
Bro, I'm literally deaf.
Let's get this thing pulled into the garage.
Let's do it. That's good. Dude, this damage is actually not that bad, honestly.
The more I keep looking at it, I'm like,
it's gonna be an easy fix. So let's go ahead, let's get into tearing it down, dude.
We're not gonna fix the interior just yet. We have to order a new dash panel because the dash exploded. So, but let's tear the front end apart and go from there.
Let's go.
Dude, this is not as bad as we thought it was going to be.
It actually isn't.
It's not that bad. Let's get this bent down a little bit.
Buff it out.
On there.
It'll be good.
You look at all the parts here. That's all we got.
That's it?
That's it. Not much. We got a bumper, we got a fender. We're going to get a new radiator support. I didn't realize this, but check this out. All of this is done. You got a bolt here. You got a bolt here. You got a few bolts, like 2 right here and 2 on the other side. And this radiator support just pops right off the top.
And it has all the condensers, radiators, fans,
and
all of it on it.
They're all hooked onto these 2 brackets. A bracket here and a bracket there. It's 2 bolts. You unbolt it and the sucker comes right out.
That's so nice. I know on my older Challenger, this radiator support went all the way down underneath and it was a huge pain to replace. So yeah, this thing is pretty easy.
We're gonna take this off. We gotta get a new hood.
And honestly, this damage is a lot less than what we anticipated. The only other thing that we didn't see from the auction pictures is that this lower tie bar is like kind of smashed. Yeah, so we'll have to replace that.
I don't know if we'll replace it or we'll just have the framer bend it back. The frame rail is good. The kind of mount got bent a little bit, but he'll pull that out. We'll get a new rebar for it as well. And a whole bunch of little pieces. I mean, you got your headlights, you got, the sensors, the temp sensor looks fine. But the headlights, we're gonna do washer fluid res. But otherwise, dude, exterior-wise, it's not much. Dude, check this out also. I didn't notice this before, but I think this is the tranny cooler and there's no hoses going to it. I'm not sure what the heck happened here. I don't know if it's because it's manual, there's not lines going to it, but.
Interesting, and there's no caps on them. It just goes straight into the condenser.
Exactly, so
that's weird.
We'll check that out as well.
Yeah, do some research on it.
All right, dude, let's keep tearing it apart. So the fan is busted because I tried just twisting it.
Yeah.
It's not going anywhere.
It's not twisting.
Yep.
Well, that condenser in the front is also jacked up, so I mean.
I wonder, I don't think the radiator is shot though.
Yeah.
All radiator fluid's in there. It's not leaking. So I low-key don't want to change the radiator unless we have to.
Yeah.
So let's pull the condenser off. the front here and then see what the radiator looks like.
Yeah, let's do it.
Well, the condenser wasn't shot.
Flip!
That was nasty, dude. We don't take any precautions.
Oh my word, bro. Sheesh! Holy.
Got a neon party going on up in here. Okay.
Gosh. This is the first time this has ever happened.
Why are we such noobs? You
Seriously.
should know this, that before pulling the condenser off, there's a little thing right here that you can press to see if there's pressure.
That's so true. Gosh, we are so stupid.
It's okay, we pulled it off. I was not gonna drive this car and sell it with that kind of condenser,
Yeah, that
so
thing was in bad shape.
I'm glad I didn't get this crap all over me, so.
Yeah, right. I mean,
We did a new fan.
Is it,
It's shot, yeah.
where is it? Ah, look at that. Flip it
Well,
around.
is it shot?
Yeah, on the back side, I think.
Radiator is good, so we're not gonna touch that. Looks like that bottom piece is even good. I thought we were
The
gonna
lower
need to
tie bar?
replace it. Yeah, I think he'll just pull it out.
Perfect.
I don't think we need to do anything to it.
That's great.
Alright, dude, let's get them parts ordered up. Alrighty, guys, that is gonna be a wrap on this episode. We got to take a look at all the crazy damages that are on this 2016 Dodge Challenger. We figured out which parts we need to order, so we're gonna get those ordered up. And then in the next video, we're gonna cover how we fix the frame on it and get all the parts lined up. We're dropping a new video every single week on Thursday, so make sure you smash that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be updated whenever we post a new video. Also, be sure to follow us on Instagram and TikTok as we post a ton of behind the scenes stuff and cool, unique footage on each of those platforms. That being said, thank you guys so much for watching. We love you guys, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.